Hello friends, today's here is a 10 lines on peacock. Very simple 10 lines. So first point is the peacock is the national bird of India. It is a very beautiful bird. Third point, peacock feathers are greenish blue in color. Fourth point, peacock has a beautiful crown on its head. Fifth point, peacock come out to dance when it rains. Sixth point, peacock eats fruit, vegetable, insect, pests and snakes. Seventh point, peacock has a much longer neck. And the eighth point is they are up to 1 meter long. Ninth point, peacocks prefer living in the forest. The last point, 10th point, their female is called peahen. So these are the 10 points on peacock. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like. Bye.